Pumpkin. Hi. I love you, Bubba.
Hey everybody, I'm Christina Bonte Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of simple roasted Brussels sprouts with balsamic. First things first, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you want to clean and trim your Brussels sprouts, or you can buy them already shredded. Then you pour the Brussels sprouts into the baking sheet. Next step is to grab the balsamic vinaigrette. I have this recipe on my website and all of my social media sites. It's my delicious balsamic vinaigrette. So I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of this. If you do not have the balsamic vinaigrette, do not stress. You just need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and we'll just do it with that. The only thing you're really going to be missing out is the honey and the Dijon. So that's why I like to use my balsamic vinaigrette as the marinade for this. But anyways, we're going to get that on here right now. Just give it a quick shake. And I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of it onto the Brussels sprouts. Once you have the balsamic vinegar all over, or the balsamic vinaigrette, sorry, all over your Brussels sprouts, you just want to mix it around with your hands. You could do this with, if you buy whole Brussels sprouts, at least cut them in half. But I find that just buying them already shredded is so easy and fast. Okay. And at the holidays, I don't know, for me, I have so many things I'm making. I like to go fast, fast, fast. Okay, I'm just gonna rinse my hands off and pop these in the oven.
Hey, Pumpkin. Hi. I love you, Bubba.
No, I think they look good. There you go. Simple roasted Brussels sprouts with balsamic. Woo! They look good.